Hello everyone, we are learning Salesforce for beginners and we have completed so many topics of Salesforce and today we are going to learn what are permission set. We have completed what is Salesforce, what are objects and fields, what are page layouts, what are record types, what are relationship between objects, what are formula fields, what are validation rules, what are profiles. We have completed profiles and now we are today we will learn what is permission set. Permission set give additional access to user. A permission set can include access to objects and fields, apps and tabs, flows or report access. System permissions like run flows, API enabled. We cannot reduce or remove any access from the profile using permission set. Now we will learn how to assign permission set to any user. uh, thank Hello, today we are going to learn what are permission sets. For permission sets, first we will go on setup, then we will search here user. First we will understand how we will use permission set. I have made two users, Alison Wheeler and Courtney Brown, and assigned a profile named standard user 1. These standard user 1 profile is for both Courtney Brown and Alison Wheeler. Now we will assign some permission set to both the users and we will check whether the permission is assigned correctly or not. First, we will assign one permission set for Alison Wheeler. Then we will assign one permission set for Courtney Brown. In our previous video, we learned how to assign permissions using how to assign access of tabs and object using our profile level. Now we will assign permission set. Permission set are used to give additional access to the user. It is you cannot remove any access, but you will give some additional access which is required for your user, which you only your user need that permissions for himself. Here we will give one permission to both Alison Wheeler user and one Courtney Brown user. These are the name of the user, Alison Wheeler and Courtney Brown. First we will search here permission set. Uh, we will assign both some permissions. First, now for after going to permission set, we will go on new. We will give access of some objects to both the users. First, we will give, for example, we will give account access. First, we will give account. Make one permission set named account account edit permission, then save this permission set. Now here you can watch the account edit permission set page is looking. Here you can watch which type of permission you can give. You can assign app, assign connected apps, object settings, app permission, apex class access, visual page access, external data source access. You can give flow access, custom permissions, custom metadata types, custom setting definitions. and you can give system permissions also and system providers. It is if we should give permissions only when it is required, otherwise there is no need to give any permission set to any user. Now again, now in object settings we will go. Now we will go on account object. Now we will go on edit. In this permission set we will give read, create, edit and delete permission to account object. Now save. Now we will again make one more permission set for the same account object. Account read permission is the label, then save. Now we will again go on object settings. Now we will go on account. Now edit. And now we want to give only read access for this account object to our user. Now we will save this account read permission set. In this way we have created two permission set. Here you can see account edit permission and account read permission. Now we will again go on our users page. Here you can watch, here standard one user is a profile which is assigned to a user Wheeler Ellison. First we will go on Wheeler Ellison, and here you can watch permission set group assign. We you can scroll down and here you can see permission set assignments. You can go on edit permission. Here are the available permission set which you have made or which is already made by the Salesforce. We have made account edit permission which we will give to our user, uh, uh, one user named Alison Wheeler. Now we will add and then save. Now we will again go on our user page and we will go on our Brown Courtney user page. Now we will scroll down and here you can watch edit permission and we will assign account read permission to our user and save. In this way we have assigned one permission to both of our user. Now we want to check. Now we have to check whether we have whatever the permissions we have given, they are working in our user page. First we will log in through the Ellison Wheeler user page and then we will check whether there is account tab is visible and we can edit, create or read our account page, account record. Go on all accounts, go on details. Here you can see, you can read, you can edit the account page and you can read. If you want to save one record, you can save from by making a new record here. Now you again go to user page and now you log in through Brown Courtney page. First we will log out our first user page. Now we will go on user again. Now we will log in through our brown Courtney user. Here we will go on app launcher and search for account tab. Here it is showing our, we will go on all accounts. Now we can watch whether we are able to edit all or not. Here you can watch we are not able to edit or edit record create, or we are only able to read the records which are present in brown Courtney. Now if you want to save, now in this way we can check how we can assign permission set to the user. If we will go on permission set and open any permission set, we can also assign some different permissions to our permission set. Through our permission set we can give flow access system permissions, also we can give by going to system permission then edit. If we want to give report permission of run reports, we can give through system permission. And we can save our permissions here. In this way we can assign different permissions to or give different access to our user. Thank you.